Okay, so this is how to trim, crop, do a screenshot, or do a screen recording on iPad and iPhone. So let's start with the trim function first. And what we're going to do is click on those three lines at the bottom. And you can see on this video that there's a little bit of dead space before I take my shot and a little bit of dead space after I take my shot. So once we bring up that trim tool, that yellow bar on the bottom, I'm going to move it from left to right to just when I start my backswing. So I'm making the video a little bit shorter. And then over on the right side of the trim tool, I'm going to move that to the left, kind of where I finished the golf swing. And now I have a shorter video. Now for the crop function, again, I go to those three lines at the bottom and tap on that. And then you'll see some black bars on the sides, kind of where those orange arrows are. Also some black bars in the corners and top and bottom. And I can basically resize that picture. So I'll start over on the right side. I'm going to move that black bar inward to make the picture a little bit smaller. And then over on the left side, and now I'm done cropping the picture. Now let's try a screenshot. So for a screenshot on my phone, I press on that blue arrow and the green arrow simultaneously, and it'll take a picture of whatever's on the screen and put it in my photos album. So here, from one of my videos, I wanted to take a screenshot kind of at the top of my backswing. So I went there and I pressed those two buttons, and boom, there the screenshot appeared and went to my photos album. Now to do a screen recording, you swipe down from the upper right side of the screen on iPad or iPhone. And then you'll see kind of a drop-down menu. The thing to look for is that target-shaped circle that has to do with screen recording. So you tap on that, it turns red, and then whatever you're seeing on the screen is being recorded. You swipe up on that menu, and again, at that point in time, you'll be recording. Once you're done recording, you want to stop the recording. You just simply swipe down and tap on that red circle again, and the screen recording will stop. It says stop screen recording, and you just tap on the word stop. And then it says the screen recording video is saved to your photos album. So you can go there at your photos album and see what the video looked like. There it is. Now for the trim function, we learned that. We also learned the crop function. We learned how to take a screenshot, and we learned how to screen record. So, hope you enjoyed this video. This is Stephen Vig in San Antonio, and thanks for watching.